Well, good morning, everybody, for September the 27th of 2023. It was a really good day yesterday in the respect that we had a number of different projects that just needed to be nudged across the end goal line for completion. So, Shane, you finished the one for the coffee shop, correct?
Yes.
We also, the university, that is in the queue here for the outdoor bright LED screen. We're going to get that coordinated today. That's the last nudge. It's ready for boxing and shipping. And the same thing goes for the hockey team. Okay. I had a great meeting with the hockey team yesterday afternoon, and they're super excited about onboarding onto the system. Okay. So far as emergency notification signage, I saw there was more testing done today in the US, which is cool. Okay, so they're definitely using the system. So, you know, the sales team on the emergency notification system side of things, we're seeing that volume start to pick up in there's the showrooms. That's happening live. Okay, so I have to practice here, everybody, on a recap, and my mentally as we're doing this every day now. So, insofar as existing deals that are coming in, we're all up to speed right now. The assignments that are on deck, we all know what's going on. There really are no tickets outstanding. The system's at 100% right now across the board, which is fantastic. There are a few devices that Amazon changed something that really old equipment is going to have to be reflashed or upgraded. Okay, so Paul, you know about that, right? It's not many pieces of equipment. It's only like 4 or 5 across the whole network. But we need to get those clients into Zoom so they understand how we're here to help, and we're going to get them upgraded as fast as possible. Okay. Cool. Rolly, also, you're working on that artificial intelligence bit for the daily postings, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a project here where you're doing content for a client based on Vancouver Island, and they sent you a bunch of content, almost a little too much content, right? Yeah, so you're on that. The last one. The integration in with the ad exchange. Everybody knows about that. I've shown you the ad exchange content coming in for the installs in Toronto. Okay. The great news is we have some spectacular content coming in from the advertisers.
Great.
Like really good content. So Rolly, I'm gonna loop you in with that. Okay, so you can take some of that content from the advertisers and put it on that client's network that's installing in Canada, just so they can see some of the wow content. And I mean, it's wow. It's when you see it, you're gonna go, yes, this is what top tier brands look like when they do it correctly. I'm excited by that. So I'll work with you on that today. Okay. So in summary, everything's ticking along incredibly well today. There's no fires. It's all really good stuff. Thank you.